Today, before I start this video, I would like to do a shout out to Russell's Wood Art. I'll leave a link in the description below. If you get a chance to swing by his channel, take a look. Today I'm going to be turning a small or a medium-sized dish with a lid. I pretty much did the same thing a couple of weeks ago. I'm just using a different type of wood for the base. I hope you folks enjoy this video. And by the way, remember to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to click the bell. Of the small dish, I'm going to be using a bronze mica powder. We'll see how that works out. By the way, this is one of the longest videos I've made. I tried to keep it at 5 minutes, which didn't work out. I would have ended up leaving so much out of the video. I guess it really wouldn't have made sense. So bear with me. Well, right in the middle of this project, I had to stop and take care of some business. I got over-involved, got back to it, and totally forgot to hit record. I guess it is what it is. And now for a quick sanding. Started off with 80 grit, and I ended with 600. The wood is still a bit punky. And now I'm going to apply some sanding sealer to the inside and the outside of the bowl. once the sanding sealer dried, I ended up sanding the inside and the outside with 600 grit, and now I'm applying a fine grit polishing compound. I allowed this epoxy to cure in the pressure pot for 3 days. Didn't want any bad experience. So lately I've been very fortunate working with the epoxy. I haven't had any major cracks or bubbles. Knock on wood. That's a first. The downside of working with epoxy, it's a horrific mess, and cleanup totally sucks. The static electricity in the air causes it to cling to everything. after wasting about 40 minutes of wet sanding, I really didn't get the finish that I anticipated I was going to get. But again, I didn't have 2, 3, and 4,000 grit paper. So I'm turning to the fine grit polishing compound. We'll see how that works out. Well, here I am at the end of another project. The lid didn't really come out the way I wanted it to, but it is what it is. The rest of the project, pretty happy with it. It's pretty similar to the one I did a couple of weeks ago. But anyhow, I'm happy with the outcome. If you folks made it this far into the video, I totally appreciate your support. And as always, thanks for watching.